Did you know that by 2030, up to 30% of jobs could be automated? That's a staggering number, and it raises a lot of questions. What does this mean for you, especially if you work in a call center or a similar field? Today, we're diving deep into how AI is slowly taking over jobs in the market. We'll explore the future of AI agents in call centers and what you can do to stay relevant. Stick around till the end, because I'll share essential skills you need to update to thrive in this changing landscape. Let's start with the basics. AI is not just a buzzword anymore. It's becoming a part of our daily lives. From chatbots answering customer queries to AI systems handling complex operations, the shift is happening. But why is this important? Because understanding this shift can help you prepare for the future. Now, let's talk about call centers specifically. Call centers have been one of the first industries to adopt AI technology. AI agents can handle multiple calls at once, provide instant responses, and even learn from interactions. This means that traditional roles in call centers are at risk. Imagine a day when you call a customer service line and never speak to a human. That day is closer than you think. So, what can you do if you're currently working in this field? First, let's discuss the skills you need to develop. While AI can handle tasks, it lacks the human touch. Being able to understand and respond to emotions is a skill that will always be in demand. Familiarize yourself with AI tools and software. Understanding how these systems work will make you more valuable in your role. AI can provide answers, but complex problems still require human insight. Being a critical thinker will set you apart. As AI takes over routine tasks, the ability to communicate effectively will be crucial. This includes both verbal and written communication. The job market is changing rapidly. Being open to learning new skills and adapting to new technologies will keep you ahead. Now let's look at some real-life examples. Companies like Amazon and Google are already using AI in their customer service operations. They have chatbots that can handle thousands of inquiries simultaneously. This not only saves time, but also reduces costs. But what about the human workers? Many companies are retraining their staff to work alongside AI. For instance, instead of answering calls, employees are being trained to manage AI systems and handle more complex customer issues. This is a great example of how you can pivot your career. If you're in a call center, consider asking your employer about training programs. You can also take online courses to learn about AI and its applications in your field. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer courses on AI and customer service. Now, let's talk about the future. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more changes in the job market. Some roles may disappear, but new ones will emerge. Think about jobs that involve managing AI systems, analyzing data, or creating content for AI. These are areas where human skills will still be needed. So, what's the takeaway? If you're currently working in a field that AI is impacting, don't panic. Instead, take proactive steps to update your skills. Stay informed about industry trends and be willing to learn. The future may seem uncertain, but with the right skills, you can thrive.